Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Well, it's here. It's National Soup Month, starting January 1st, 2025. Get ready for a month full of soup recipes, fun facts, jokes, and so much more to warm your heart and your kitchen. National Soup Month is celebrated in January each year to honor the comforting, versatile, and universally loved dish that warms us during the colder winter months. It's a time to explore different soup recipes, learn about the history and cultural significance of soups, and share this hearty meal with family and friends. Whether it's a creamy chowder, a brothy vegetable soup, or a rich stew, National Soup Month is the perfect excuse to experiment with flavors and enjoy the coziness of a warm bowl of soup. Celebrate National Soup Month with me as we enjoy warmth, flavor, and comfort in every spoonful. Together, we'll explore a world of soups through delicious recipes, handy tips, and fascinating soup facts. Let's make this January extra special and oh so tasty. Don't miss out. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming fun. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and let's have a super month.